Over the past 4 decades, General Motors has proven itself a modern-day warrior. The company literally owned the 50s and 60s, and no matter how much corporate bean counters tried to quill its spirit of performance, true gearheads always kept the flame lit. And we're not talking about Corvettes or the incredible Cadillac V-Series. We're talking about cars like this exclusive, all-black and all-business 1987 Buick GNX. Purchased as part of a 2-car deal that included a striking Grand National, this GNX has rolled just mere break-in miles since leaving Greensburg, Pennsylvania's Sendell Motors. In the name of good maintenance, the car's original GM Code 19 Black has been supplemented with fresh pigment where needed. That rich paint highlights crisp sheet metal that centers straight surfaces between even gaps. And topped by factory glass and monochromatic trim, that metal's finish is every bit as glossy as it is deep. Inside, you'll find an original tri-tone interior that's preserved in clean plastic. Pliable factory buckets have obviously been looked at more than they've been sat in. Factory-spec Stewart Warner gauges inhabit a blocky dash that's free of warps and cracks. Below that dash, a console frames an elegant factory shifter, and a satin-spoke steering wheel looks 80s glam. The turbo 3.8-liter in the GNX benefits from significant improvements to create 276 horsepower and 360 pound-feet of torque. Along with a McLaren-tuned suspension, that power is managed by a 4-speed transmission and 342 gears out back. Number 481 of 547 produced, this GNX is an incredible collectible. Nobody scoffs at Buick's legendary Grand National, and you can pretty much bank on the fact that this exquisitely documented gem will grow in value as its buyer base continues to mature. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.